So my team just won. Hey, 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 hey. So Cunha the first goal. I think I don't know who scored the second goal, but I think Kobe Mainu was the third goal, and then Kobe Mainu was the fourth goal again. I don't know, guys, because I did watch the game, but I didn't watch the goals. I only knew the first goal and the two lost goals, but I didn't know the second goal. So yeah, guys, but we won. My team won. And go Manchester, go Manchester, go Manchester. Do you, if you're Liverpool and you subscribe to my channel, sorry, I am so sorry. But you need to leave my channel right now. Unsubscribe. I don't need you because you are Liverpool and I don't like you. So move. Move off my channel. Move. Don't come to my channel ever again. Go find your Liverpools because I don't want your Liverpools here close to my channel because I'm only Manchester United. So don't mess with me. Don't mess with Manchester. If you try to mess with us again, Liverpool, no? That's what's gonna happen to you. That's what's gonna happen to you. So you better grab your snacks, grab your drinks, and watch me. Because, guys, I need to talk about the community in South Africa. So you can only watch the first sport, but the South Africans watch the rest. Okay? So, to our community about this, guys, I need you guys to stop shooting. Enough is enough, and you guys are shooting all the innocent people, and I just don't like it because it breaks my heart to hear when it's kids especially and it's grown-ups, because we are all God's children and yet we do that. So we South African, please watch this and do not shoot. We want our community clean. Enough is enough. We don't want dead people playing on laying on the field and that stuff and in the roads. I don't want that to happen. So yes, guys, please. Yeah, guys. So don't shoot. But thank you so much, Manchester United. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and